Good morning, Oliver. Did you sleep well?
Morning, Emily. Absolutely. I had the most wonderful dream. I was, wait for it, riding a giant chocolate cake through Hyde Park.
Oh, please. Only you could dream something so ridiculous. Did you at least share it with me in your dream?
Naturally. I tried to, but the squirrels were in the way. They were nibbling on the cake.
Squirrels in Hyde Park, stealing chocolate cake. Classic Oliver. Well, I slept quite well myself. Woke up to the sun streaming through the window.
Lucky you. I woke up tangled in the sheets like a starfish that's lost its ocean.
A starfish without an ocean? You're more like a clumsy octopus in my eyes.
Touché. Speaking of mornings, fancy a cup of tea? Or should I brew some coffee for you, my lady?
Tea, please. Strong, but not too strong. I don't want to start shaking before breakfast.
Strong but polite. Got it. I'll make it with the elegance of Buckingham Palace.
Don't spill it on the floor like last time.
I swear, that was a minor incident. The carpet recovered faster than I did.
Minor incident? You sent Earl Grey flying like a British superhero.
Ah, yes, Super Tea-Man to the rescue.
Don't tell me you dreamt about that too.
Not yet, but if I do, I'll save you from the evil villain, Mr. Alarm Clock.
The villain of every morning. Honestly, it's the first enemy I face daily.
Speaking of enemies, breakfast is almost ready. Do you prefer scrambled eggs or the famous Emily's Toast Special?
Surprise me. But make sure it's edible this time.
Edible? You wound me. My toast was almost edible in the abstract sense.
Abstract toast. I think that belongs in an art gallery.
Maybe the Tate Modern would appreciate it. They love modern chaos.
True, but I prefer breakfast chaos that ends with jam on my plate, not the ceiling.
Understood, madam. I shall channel all my artistic chaos directly onto the plate.
You're hopeless, but I love it.
And I love you. Now, how about we plan our little adventure today? A walk in the park, maybe a coffee at that tiny cafe by the river?
That sounds perfect, but let's take the scenic route. I want to spot every daffodil and silly dog in sight.
You and your daffodils. Last time we admired them, we ended up taking 20 photos, and the dogs photobombed half of them.
And that was the fun part. Those dogs have better expressions than most humans.
Indeed. Shall we make it a competition? Best dog selfie wins, breakfast dessert.
Deal. But I warn you, my phone camera has improved. You're in trouble, Oliver.
Oh, a challenge. My competitive spirit is awake, along with my stomach.
Then finish your tea, superhero, and we shall conquer the park together.
With tea in hand, love at heart, and socks that match, we are unstoppable.
Absolutely. British superheroes with style and humor. Now, let's go before the squirrels start their heist.
Lead the way, Emily. And remember, Super Tea-Man is always by your side.
Always, Oliver. Always.